back to our channel and trust you're doing great. If today is the first time, you are most welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are highly welcome. It is always a joy to see you. Thank you so much for all your love and support. So today, guess what? We're reacting once again to the world's best band that ever existed, the Beatles. And they're doing a song from the Rubber Soul album, and it's called Norwegian Wood. What an interesting topic.
Very interesting.
Interesting title for an interesting song. So people, without talking much, let's jump right in and listen to the Norwegian Wood. And 1, 2, 3.
She once had me. She showed me her room. Isn't it good? Norwegian wood. She asked me to stay and she told me to sit anywhere. So I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. I sat on the road, biding my time, drinking her wine. We talked until 2, and then she said, it's time for bed.
Song.
It's very short, but
yeah, and it's got this kind of strange instrument. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, it's a sitar. It's a
oh,
Indian guitar.
Wow, people, the Beatles, versatile, dynamic, international. So that's a sitar. Wow.
Sounds
Not a
like
guitar, but yeah, that's. I thought it sounded different.
Yeah.
Wow, the Beatles. And I think they were saying this song was from George Harrison. People, let's get the words and let's dive right in. But that was beautiful, different, unique, and yeah,
it was
amazing. People, let's get the words. So the words are, I once had a girl, or should I say she once had me. Wow. She showed me her room. Isn't it good Norwegian wood? Ooh, what is this Norwegian wood? She asked me to stay and she told me to sit anywhere. So I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. So where?
It's sit on the floor.
But I thought he said there was Norwegian wood, and normally the Norwegian wood would be from the furniture, isn't it?
Yeah.
But then there was nothing.
Could be the walls.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. So I noticed there wasn't a chair. I sat on a rag, biding my time. Oh, there was no chair, but there was a rag. Interesting. So the girl literally had an empty apartment or something like that.
Yeah.
drinking her wine, but she had wine too, at least. That's a good thing for a visitor. We talked until 2, and then she said it's time for bed. Ooh, they had a long chat.
They did, didn't they?
In the morning. Okay, it's time for bed. So at 2 a.m. she said she was going to bed. She told me she worked in the morning and started to laugh. Oh, that means you're probably lying. Yeah, people, tell us more. But it looks like the girl is very clever. She said, and she started to laugh. Why would you laugh if you're just telling somebody that you work in the morning? So she needed to go to bed. She was laughing because she knew maybe in the morning. I told her I didn't. Okay, so it means that he said that I told her I didn't. That means that he wasn't working.
Yeah.
And crawled off to sleep in the bath.
In the bath.
Oh my goodness. And when I awoke, I was alone. This bed had... So the girl was the bed. Had flown. She had gone. So I lit a fire. But how could he sleep in the bath?
Well, there's only one bed in the place.
Oh yes, because the place didn't even have furniture. So
So you have to sleep in the
maybe
bath.
that was the only place. Oh my God, it must have been cold. And then when he awoke, he was alone and the bed had flown. The girl was gone. So I lit a fire. Isn't it good, Norwegian wood? Oh my goodness. So it could be he lit a fire to smoke something, or he lit a
You
fire.
could have lit a fire to get warm.
Warm,
in the
yeah,
fireplace.
yeah, to get warm.
I don't
Because he
think
must
you
have
would
been warm,
replace that.
cold in the bath. He must have been cold in the bath. So he woke up and he. People, that was interesting. Tell us more about this song. But it was nice. I mean, I like that instrument. That's I like that instrument. So, their songs always had a story, interesting story. Tell us again, people, is this a true story or is it fictional? Thank you so much for all your love and support. We're going to sign off now, but stay tuned in and request more of the Beatles. Oh my goodness. And if you haven't watched the brief history that we did, check it out. It was marvelous. Thank you so much. So we're signing off now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I once had a girl, or should I say, she wanted me. She showed me a room, isn't it good, Norwegian wood. She asked me to stay and she told me to sit anywhere. So I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. I sat on a rug, biding my time, drinking her wine. We talked until 2, and then she said, it's time for bed. She told me she worked in the morning and started to laugh. I told her I didn't and crawled up to sleep in the bath. And when I awoke, I was alone. This bird had flown. So I lit a fire. Isn't it good, Norwegian wood? Thank you.